Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Knowledge Bucket. Today we are going to talk about the mysterious island of India which is called North Sentinel Island. North Sentinel Island is one of the Andaman Islands, an Indian archipelago in the Bay of Bengal that also includes South Sentinel Island. It is home to the Sentinelese, indigenous people in voluntary isolation, who have maintained their protected isolation from the outside world, often by force. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands Aboriginal Tribes Protection Act of 1956 prohibits travel to the island and any route closer than 5 nautical miles to prevent the tribal community from contracting such exotic diseases. The Indian Navy patrols the area to curb illegal activities. The island belongs to the South Andaman Administrative District, part of the Indian Union Territory of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. In practice, the Indian authorities recognize the willingness of the islanders to be left alone and limit their role to remote monitoring. They are not prosecuting them for killing people. The island is a protected area in India. In 2018, the Indian government excluded 29 islands, including North Sentinel, from the Restricted Area Permit (RAP) regime in a major effort to boost tourism. In November 2018, the government's Ministry of Home Affairs said the relaxation of restrictions was intended to allow researchers and anthropologists to visit the Sentinel Islands with a pre-approved clearance. Sentinels have repeatedly attacked approaching ships. Such attacks have killed 2 fishermen in 2006 and an American Christian missionary, John Allen Chow, in 2018. I hope you would have loved this video. If you loved it, then you can like my video, and if you like to see such knowledgeable videos like this, then you can subscribe to my channel. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.